Ooh, welcome, man. Oh, here it is, right here. Right here, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Y'all recognize this? Chrysler Pacifica. No, guys, not the minivan. Remember the Pacifica? That was a version of the Pacifica back, came out in '04. I think it hung around to '08, maybe. And then, of course, we didn't hear nothing from the brand Pacifica until 2017 when it showed up looking like a minivan. It showed back up looking like a minivan. Okay, so in 2017 through current, there's a minivan version of the Pacifica. This is the old body style Pacifica. I have one of these. They did well, guys. The thinking was, let's build a Jeep slash minivan. A lot of people didn't want the soccer mom looking van, but they wanted a vehicle with just as much room that appeared to look like a Jeep. So they made a Jeep and a minivan into one body style, and they came out with the Pacifica. It did good for them back in that time frame, during that era. It did very well. All right, why is this in? Why are we here, JT? Noise, supposedly. I don't know. I guess we about to find out. Noise when running, they say up there under the engine area. So before I take it in, I'm gonna see if I can duplicate it. Let's start it up. Well, turn all this off. I don't hear nothing out of the ordinary. Oh, take that back. I do hear something out of the ordinary. Let's see if we can visually see. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Alrighty, guys. Y'all hear that? Something, hold on, let me move this couple. Already moved. Alright, guys. From the looks of this and the sound of this, look like the alternator bearing is shot. And based on the appearance of, see all this brown stuff around in this area? See how that pulley bouncing around? Very well could be. Oh yeah, you can feel the. Oh man, let me turn it off. That's a no-no, guys. These battery clamps. All right, make sure if you're gonna do that, make sure it's tight. Let me shut this down. Okay, that was excessively loud. Now, from the looks of it, it looks like the noise coming from the alternator, guys. But oh yeah, this headed. Y'all can't see it, but I can feel the. And like I say, all this debris right here, the bearing. The sun is blocking my good view, guys. Yeah, that alternator coming apart. Now, what I'm gonna do, because remember how I told y'all in the last video, watch this video right here where we was diagnosing noises. I highly suggest you remove the belt and see if the noise go away. If the noise goes away, then yeah, you know we chasing the noise is likely one of the accessories. Whatever this belt operates, when you remove the belt and the noise go away, the problem is whatever the belt was rotating, turning. Okay, so I still have to go in the shop and go through the motions, guys. You know, a customer paid an hour diagnostic time. I'm gonna give them an hour of diagnosing and looking over their car. This is a timing belt driven engine. We're gonna take a look at that. I didn't take a peek at the mileage, but I gotta take it in the shop and look it over completely. I'm not just gonna write up alternator right here because I see that could very well be the problem, but we're gonna go through the motions and the steps like you're supposed to. All right, so I tell y'all what, hold tight, man. I'll be right back. Don't go anywhere. Stay tuned. Alrighty, guys, real quick, all my older mechanics that know about manual transmission shifting, guys, I got a misfire. All right, now it's an intermittent misfire. What I need to do, y'all can see right here, somehow scan tools are able to point out which cylinder is misfire. However, that doesn't matter if the misfire is not happening. Now, how you can induce the misfire is by bogging the car down. Okay, power braking, some would call it. But there's only one problem. This is a freaking stick. All right, now it still can be done. Y'all can't see my foot. I'm gonna have a hard time doing this. I'm thinking somebody got to refresh my memory. It's a stick, and I need to bog it down to simulate a load that will generate the misfire and point me in the right direction to which cylinder is misfiring. The computer won't tell me. So I'm gonna figure out a way, guys. I can't do it while I'm recording. I need all my hands and my feet. I think I'm gonna put it in reverse and keep my foot on the clutch and the brake. Hey, look what was traded in today, guys. Oh, a Wrangler. Hey, look at the little pink little handles, and oh, she didn't want it no more, I guess. Oh my goodness, she got it all decked out. Look at the handles and the door hinges. Oh, even the steering wheel pink. Now let's go up to the front, because this is where all the magic lies at. Oh, y'all see that grill? Yeah, y'all like that, don't you? Come get it, man. It's going on a used car lot. We about to do our 29-point inspection first. Then after that, it's going on a used car. We're gonna get it cleaned up, and it's going on the used car lot. All right. Now, if I had to guess, that's probably a 3.6 Pentastar under there. But yeah, they're gonna have to man this up if they expect some guy to buy this. I don't know too many guys, too many bros gonna want a, you know, a Jeep Wrangler with a cute little pink grill on it. Did she deck anything out in the inside? Oh, just the steering wheel. Well, anyway, she didn't want it no more, guys. We about to do our 29-point inspection and put it on the lot. Y'all want it? Come get it, baby. Alrighty, guys, real quick, let's talk, guys. This is the same white Pacific I'm working on. I told you how to do rotate and balance the tires. Now, while I'm at this stage, all right, let's talk about the lug nuts, guys. Let me grab one right here. Now, y'all see this? No big deal. Typical lug nut used on just about every car. However, guys, over time, constant on off of these will yield some little shavings inside of here. This is made of aluminum. Some of them are made of steel, but those shavings can over time seize up to this stud. Now when that happens, you locked up, right? We don't want that to happen, guys. So here's what I do every time I got lug nuts off of a wheel. Don't matter what I'm doing, I take it, all my lug nuts right here, I just do a little tap. Now this is not an old car, so in fact this is a fairly new car, so you might not get a lot out of here, but just tap those shavings out every time you have the lug nuts off. In some cases I will use my blower to blow it out. All right, do this every time you got the lug nuts off, guys. That will help prolong the life. Alrighty, guys, real quick, this is a Jeep Compass, guys. I'm getting ready to put this wheel on. I was faced with a little challenge. Yes, lining the wheel up to the hole. There's no studs, guys. Yes, times are changing, guys, and we have to change right along with it. Now, we used to deal with lug nuts. Now we're dealing with lug bolts. Okay, y'all see that? Guys, what is the advantage of this? All right, now me personally, I haven't done enough investigation to find out. I do not know, all right, why they went from typical lug nuts to lug bolts. Okay, is there an advantage? I don't know. It just makes it harder for us to put the wheel on. But why the change? Why the reason? What was the big deal of studs sticking out of the axle or out of the, you know, hub bearing or whatever, making it easy for us to put the wheel on? Now we just got to line it up, guys. You just got to adapt to your current situation in the automotive industry. That's all. So now what's still important is you still have to torque these. All right, so don't belittle that importance. All right, I got to go, man. Somebody investigate for me.